Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice, Singular and Plural Nouns, Present Tense, plus bonus content, she and he. So be sure to stick around for the second part of this video for that bonus content. Okay, great. Let's start. Singular noun. A woman. A woman is having lunch. A woman is having lunch. Plural noun. Women. Two women are having lunch. Two women are having lunch. Singular noun. Hat. I have one hat for winter. I have one hat for winter. Plural noun. Gloves. These gloves are warm. These gloves are warm. Singular noun. A billiard ball. This is a billiard ball. This is a billiard ball. Plural noun. Billiard balls. 16 billiard balls are in a set. Billiard balls are in a set. Singular noun. An egg. I like an egg in a cup. I like an egg in a cup. Plural noun. Eggs. 2 eggs are good for breakfast. Two eggs are good for breakfast. Singular noun. Leaf. That is a beautiful leaf. That is a beautiful leaf. Plural noun. Leaves. Please pick up those leaves. Please pick up those leaves. Singular noun. Knife. That is one big knife. That is one big knife. Plural noun. Knives. We need some new knives. We need some new knives. Singular noun. Pill. Take one pill before dinner. Take one pill before dinner. Plural noun. Pills. I take these pills for my allergies. I take these pills for my allergies. Okay, she and he. She gets up at 6. And he gets up at 6:20. How about you? She has breakfast at 6:30. And he has breakfast at 6:40. How about you? She takes the bus to work. And he walks to work. How about you? She runs. And he swims. How about you? She chats with friends. And he sits around the house. How about you? She shops at a grocery store. And he shops at a supermarket. How about you? She uses a laptop computer. And he uses a desktop computer. How about you? She goes to bed at 11. And he goes to bed at 11:30. How about you? Okay, good job. Yes. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all of my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.